When you see jeans, you think of Levi's. That's how famous and well-known they have become worldwide. As an iconic brand known for their durability and style, Levi's has long set the gold standard for quality denim. But this raises a question that might have crossed your mind at some point. Call it the golden question, if you will. How are these high-quality, ultra-durable jeans actually made? Let's rewind a bit. The origin of Levi's jeans dates back to the 1800s. The birth of the idea of Levi jeans was based on the brilliant discovery of Levi Strauss, who was a Bavarian immigrant running a dry goods store in San Francisco during the height of the gold rush in 1853. He was able to identify the prevailing problem at the time, which was the need for a more durable solution for the miners as a result of the increase in their demands for clothing to reinforce their torn-out trousers due to the nature of the environment they were working in. He therefore came up with the idea of using rivets to strengthen the strain points on the jeans, thereby not only providing a brilliant solution to the problem, but also creating the start of something outstanding. To make his vision turn into reality, Strauss partnered with a tailor named Jacob Davis to produce the first patented waist overall, which they named Blue Jeans, in 1873. Just like how Strauss envisioned, the overall jeans were made with tough denim and also copper rivet reinforcements at areas of strain like the pockets to make them stronger. They were also called the double XX, which meant extra strong. But that was just the beginning for the brand. In 1886, Levi's first trademarked their symbol of strength that is still shown today on the leather label of their jeans. The two horses pulling a pair of jeans in opposite directions. Shortly after, a commercial aired across the United States which had a significant impact, raising the demand for Levi jeans to a whole new level. Levi Strauss & Co. continued to produce jeans of different sizes, color, and texture to meet the demand of different identified demographics, but it wasn't until 1934 that it produced its first blue jeans for women, breaking into another market segment. Fast forward to the world today, Levi Strauss & Co. has become a globally recognized brand and one of the world's largest apparel companies, running about 500 stores worldwide, with their products available in more than 100 countries. As of 2023, Levi Strauss & Co. generated a net revenue of $6.2 billion US. Behind the scenes, it starts on the cutting room floor. Depending on the rising trends in the market and customer needs, the Levi's design team comes together to come up with ideas on how to produce new jeans of different and improved designs. The designers then experiment with different fits, fabrics, and finishing techniques to come up with the most suitable prototype. Their aim is to create jeans that meet high standards of durability and style while addressing sustainability, which is what Levi's is all about. With the use of digital design innovation and laser finishing technology, the finishing process combined with the chemical processes during the development stages have been improved drastically, with almost all becoming fully automated or digitalized. It has also given the designers the ability to easily make changes to the design, such as the fit and the wash, to make it perfect. After development of a prototype jean using 3D, it is placed on a virtual model to see how it will actually fit and look on a real person. It is then passed through a rigorous testing process to cross-check its quality and durability. After the design has been finalized, a real-life prototype of the design is produced to check the jean's comfort, fit, and essential elements. If there is any need for changes, the designers make those changes on the digital design, and all necessary adjustments are made to improve it. Levi sources the materials for jeans, with the most common fabric being denim. The process of making the denim fabric starts with a collection of recycled cotton from places around the world, which is then cleaned and prepared for spinning. The cotton is then spun into yarns on a spinning machine by drawing out the cotton fibers and twisting them to form threads of specific thicknesses as required for further production. The spun yarn is then prepared through a warping process, lining up the threads for weaving on a loom, which is then dyed with eco-friendly dyeing techniques to the desired color. After dyeing, it is coated with protective materials during the sizing process to withstand the stresses of the next stage of production. The coated yarn is woven into denim fabrics using specialized looms, and once woven, the denim is sent through treatments for softening, durability, and aesthetic appeal, after which it is made ready to be cut according to the created patterns. Cutting of the fabric is done by the use of an automated cutting machine. The machines are designed to scan and analyze digital patterns specific to the already established jean style and size. The machines cut the denim fabric based on the patterns into individual pieces, including the back pockets, the front and back panels, and waistbands. After cutting, each piece of the cut denim fabric is inspected for clean edges and whether it adheres to pattern specifications. Other systems are used to engrave specified details like back pocket placement into the back panel of the fabric. Efficiency and sustainability is an important aspect in the production of Levi's denim jeans. To achieve this, Fabric waste during cutting is reduced to the minimum by the use of optimized marker layouts. The excess denim fabric after being cut is often repurposed or recycled in Levi's sustainable collections. Automated systems that enhance precision are also employed in order to reduce avoidable errors that would lead to wastage of the fabric. After the denim fabric has been cut according to the patterns created, the cut pieces are arranged and grouped according to size and style, and labeled for assembly lines. The components that make up each pair of jeans are then bundled together for the sewing stage. At this stage, the sewing machines used to sew various denim fabric components together are automated and equipped with pre-programmed stitching patterns matching the created design. The automated machines do not perform only sewing operations. Their other functions include the making of seams, hems, and the attachment of other components. The buttons, rivets, and zippers are also attached to the jeans by the use of other automated machines or robots after it has gone through the washing stage. Almost all the production stages involved in this production of Levi's jeans are automated, including the washing stage. Levi's uses stonewashing, sandblasting, and distressing machines according to the specific requirement of the design. This is done to soften the fabric's texture or create a jean with a worn-out look. The quality control stage is always essential, as it's the stage where all the work done beforehand is cross-checked for flaws or mistakes. Levi's employs several methods including the use of automated systems and manual physical inspections to check the stitching and fit of the jeans and for other irregularities. The accessories attached to the jeans like the rivets, zippers, buttons, and threads are also manually inspected for durability and aesthetic compatibility. The manufactured jeans are tried on models or mannequins to verify that the jeans meet the required size and that it fits standards. The jeans are also placed through a stress test, which is conducted to evaluate their ability to withstand wear and tear. The stress test includes checking seam strength, zipper functionality, and overall resilience. Finally, the finished jeans are branded with the use of laser systems or automated heating devices. Some of these branding materials include the tags, labels, and other elements. It is at this stage that the famous red tag is placed on the jeans, which was created solely to differentiate Levi's from the other competing brands out there. After branding, the jeans are folded and packaged with the use of automated systems. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how Levi's jeans are made from design to the finished product. If you have a favorite story about how your jeans held up in a tough environment, share with us in the comments below. Help us make more videos by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more educational content just like this. Thank you for watching.